Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I really would like to give myself a shot as far as welding this HD Banjan clamp. This is a replica of Vibrant, and among other brands. So I went and got myself another throttle body, so if I ever mess it up, just toss it. And also I want to recycle this one. This is for my HKS blow-off bulb, but it's so filthy. But what I'm thinking is if I can lay some good weld here, like a base, and then I start from there. Yeah. All right, let's go do it. That is completely filthy. Yeah. Forget this one. I will never gonna get this one. Okay. Yeah, it's just totally unusable. I'm gonna have to buy another one. See if I can put some holes in it. Inside. I don't want to mess around with the inside. I think I'm gonna end up grinding this one. Just to make it look good. Dang. I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep trying. Well, I'm just gonna show you afterwards. This is not gonna be looking good. Check it out. Well, it looks like I'm doing all right. Look at my my bead. That is dirty there. I'm going to clean that up. But yeah, I'm laying beads right there. Not a dime, but I think this is more like the best, the second best aluminum weld I ever did. All right, I'm gonna clean that up and. Inside, I'm just gonna have to polish this up. Alright, cool. I got it all cleaned up, but there's some section here that I think looks good to me. Not for sure, but it's a lot better. So I'm gonna set it on 1 for cleaning action. Finally got it. Look at this thing. Not the best weld there is, but it's hot. I managed to put on that HD clamp. Yeah. Now the question is if this thing is any good. Hopefully it won't stick out on me. Alright, well, that's how I weld my HD clamp on my throttle body. So now I want to try it and put the connection pipe and see if I could finish that. Not bad at all. Not bad. Hopefully that throttle body will work or not stick at all. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Oh, I gotta measure the this end. Got the intercooler secured. This side is off mate and it's perfectly aligned. So, where's my marker at? A little bit of math calculation here. I know I'm already, it's perfectly sized on there, but I need a gap, maybe like 1/8 of an inch, just to room to play right there. And I just simply going to measure this and then deduct the this one right here, the lip, and then that should do it. And it's right there. Am I straight? Okay. Yeah. Alright. I'll see you in the welding table. And I want to give this thing a try before I weld it. Make sure. Okay. Yeah. I got clearance here. I got clearance over there. Yeah. Let's give it a try. This is without the O-ring. Just want to see how this thing works. Okay, right there. The 3-inch is not an Epman. It's a, what is it? PQY. But the 2.5 is made by the brand name Epman. Okay. All right. That's it. Everything is completed except for the blow-off valve. I'm gonna order the adapter for it. Okay, and everything is all welded here. That one, it just needed a another outer clamp, the ferrule. And let me just show you what I did on my water hose. I shortened it. I went and got a an adapter, 90-degree. That way I would have clearance over here for my clamp, right by my finger right here. Yeah, with this 45 on there, I could, it's so hard to put on, but this way it made it a lot easier. And I just got the hose, so the hose has already been situated. And as far as like the welding on the throttle body, yeah, I think looks like it looks all right to me, but I don't know about somebody else's standard. Hey, I'm learning. You know, it's aluminum is the hardest thing to weld. And on this side, it went to crack. I don't know what happened there, but I'm gonna wrap this thing anyway. All right, I'm gonna end the video here, guys, and I'm moving along. I got the dump pipe all ceramic coated and everything, and I also ceramic coated this part area right here because this is subjected to the heat, and I don't want to paint the whole block, otherwise the block cannot breathe. So only that section right there, that helps out. On my H22A4, I put a heat shield on it. Yeah, but this time I just used the paint. Okay. All right, I'm gonna end the video here. And like I said, I got all this thing all painted. I might do the same thing here. Yeah. I'll be seeing you guys on the next episode. All right. Take care, everyone. See you guys back. Bye bye. Be safe.